Good morning, LC people. Well, I posted last week about this bike. I've got a few bits left to get. I've got the right front wheel that's coming from Wards, the powder coat, so I've got to go and fetch that. But before I fetch that, two birds in one stone, I've got to take two exhausts to get blasted and ceramic coated. That one up there, I've cleaned the pitching off as much as I can. So it's as good as it's going to get. There's a couple of slight dings, but you're not going to notice too much. Anyway, this pipe had a massive dent along here, and it was quite dented. Now I saw a video on YouTube a few months ago where the guy had he'd blocked off that end and he blocked off that end, and he managed to get an airline into it and a blow lamp, and he heats it up and puts like 60 psi plus to pop the dent out. And I should have posted before I took the dent out, but it's really good compared to what it was. Now then, on the front here, if you look what I've got here, look, he's got another clamp. There's a little O-ring inside there, and that bit. It's an old inner tube cut up, look, and a big washer that fits in there, and the O-ring is to make it all gas tight. Then that bolts onto there and you can put the airline on it. That bit was brilliant. Now I come to the ends and I thought I'll chop an old baffle up, right, have it welded all up so it's gas tight, put the bolt in it and put it in the end of the pipe. It didn't work, did it? It was still leaking, and I came to the conclusion that it was leaking all around there in between that and the pipe. So it didn't work. So I came to the conclusion it wants a bung in the end. So you put the bung in. I've got a ratchet strap here, modified it so it fits both of those with a slotted bit. Look, ratcheted it up and it seals it. Brilliant. But it was still leaking air, and what I didn't realise was there's a lip inside here, and the air was going through there, then out the hole at the back there. So what I had to do was get an O-ring that fits inside that bit, so when I push the bung in, this bung, it traps the O-ring between this and the pipe, which then makes it airtight. Ratchet the strap up, cover the strap in something that's not going to set fire, get the airline on the other end there, and continue putting air in it while getting the blow lamp on it. It takes about 10-15 minutes, but it works and it comes out. There's my fix for your dented exhausts. I hope it's of some interest. Any questions, let me know. Dilly dilly.